Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox. And if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my SCT Sampler. So this is my April subscription. I get this every month and I have signed up as an annual subscriber. I can leave the links down below for how you can get a sampler as well. A smile is understood in every language. That's really sweet. Ooh, I like this off the top. So let's look and see everything that is coming in it. Oh, Paige Evans Wonders Collection. Oh, I'm very excited about that. And PHOTOPLAY paper, Fern and Willard. Well, that's nice. So this is super cute. You get a little embellishment. And then this is a acrylic piece that is custom made by Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine. You get some fun puffy stickers. Let's take a look at the die cuts here. Well, I guess this is a die cut as well. There's an interesting sort of gloss to some of these. So perhaps this is PHOTOPLAY, if this has a gloss, because I don't know of Paige Evans having a gloss on any of her products. That's sort of glossy too. No, maybe it is. So, Happy Day, Here and Now, Love, Stop and Smell the Flowers, Home Life Lately, and this little... Yeah, I really can't tell which collection belongs to which here. So this birds looks like Paige Evans. Frogs, I would say PHOTOPLAY. This looks to me like Paige Evans. Eee! I love this little frog. I'm glad that I got it. And ladybugs, super cute. Woo! What is this funness? Oh, what? That's different. Someone has, like, these are like printables that you just cut out yourself, I guess. I've never seen that before. Okay, so this has got to be PHOTOPLAY. Fun ladybugs. I like it. I love this little frog paper. Super cute. And that's a Paige Evans looking kind of design. But this has got to be Paige Evans right here. Yeah, there's the same sort of squares. This collection is a good match for each other. They coordinate well together. So some pretty butterflies, some fun squares, stripes. Not crazy about that. Yeah, this has a kind of gloss to it too. It's very different. I really like this watercolor a lot. And that's a definite Paige Evans. So this is a different color palette for Paige, which is throwing me off a little bit. And then last but not least, Gina K Stamps, Best Friend Forever, Warm Spring Wishes, oh, Happy Birthday, Thinking of You, Hello, and then all these cute, oh, it's like a two-step stamp. So you could stab the stem, and then you put the little flowers over top, and you could do different colors and different shades. That's neat. Fun. Okay, so another great set of products to work with. I just renewed my annual subscription. So even when you renew your subscription, it happens quite ahead of time to make sure that you don't have any discontinuation with your products. So I will be all set for another full year of my SCT Sampler subscription. I will create some things and I will show you what I make. Okay, I am back with some creations. So if you watched my last video, you would have seen me share a couple of these things already. I'll link the video for you at the end if you're interested in getting any of these dies. But I created this really cute little box here, and there's some Nuvo dies in there right now. But the idea was actually to create a gift, and I'll show you some of the details while it's empty here. To create a gift for a pen pal, so you could tuck in some little embellishments for your swap partner or your friend, and you could create a whole little cute pocket of fun little designs and things, so that you could create something like that. So you could put gifts inside there, you could put chocolates, so many different things. This was one of the cards that came in the sampler, and so it just happened to be the exact size of this box, so I created that cute little project there. The other thing that fit really well inside here are tea. So if I wanted to add a little tea bag in there as well, let's just find a spot to tuck that in. There you go. So you could like put a little tea in there as well. So it's like a fun little gift for a pen pal. Okay, so sticking with the cute frog, I just absolutely adore that frog. I actually created cards with this sampler this time. I didn't really have that in mind specifically, but I knew I was kind of short on cards, and I started creating one for a friend specifically, and then I just kept going. So these are two that I hadn't shown yet in my last video, and they were basically just taking a very simple approach to cutting out those little cut aparts and making them the focal point by layering some different pattern papers behind and putting a very few embellishments. I did get these kind of stickers, and I just kind of stuck those in a triplicate in the back. I used the Thinking of You stamped right across the hello, and that was like that. And then another card that I created here, I really love how it turned out. I used the hello stamp. So I rarely use the stamps, and here's why. I stamped that originally right there perfectly. It was amazing. I was so happy with how well it turned out. And then as I was gluing things down, I just kind of rubbed across it. I thought it was dry, and it wasn't, and it smudged. So I actually came in and I popped up a little hello over top. So it's fine. You can't really tell, and it's a nice little detail because the hello has this fun little stitching around it. But anyways, I'm always so nervous to stamp. I actually used my dies to create these flowers from the Queen of Craft, and it is all using that patterned paper. This was using that, it looked like the paint strokes paper. I just love the way it all came out with all the different colors. I fussy cut those two butterflies. I used this die to ground the project there, and I just love the way that that turned out there. So sticking with that same theme of using this piece here to ground them, I made some more flowers, cut some more butterflies, and this time instead of stamping a word inside, I used the word dream that came in my ephemera from the sampler. And then lastly, I did this one card here, and again I created all these flowers with die cuts from Queen of Craft with these flower dies that I just got. These little flowers here came in my collection. That was my sticker sheet, had a bunch of flowers and birds on them, so that was really fun. So that's what I've created here. I still have tons more material to work with, but I just wanted to get the video out and show you sort of what I've been up to. I mean, these just fell together really quickly and easily, and I've been enjoying working with these colorful materials that came this month. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.